In this video, we explore Merritt Island National Refuge. We hike the Boardwalk Trail at the Visitor Center, retreat from a major thunderstorm, visit Playalinda Beach, explore the Black Point Wildlife Drive, and do 2 more short hikes. Today we are at the Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge here in Central Florida coast, just north of NASA Space Center. Behind me is the Visitor Center. We're going to take this short little trail around the Visitor Center. Getting dark. I think I'm gonna get rained on real soon. Okay, I am moments away from a major downpour and I am running for shelter. Whew, that was quite a jog back to the car. I beat the rain, thankfully. Let's see how long it takes before the downpour. Okay, the rain is here and I would say I beat it by 2 minutes. I decided to head east to the Playalinda Beach area of Canaveral National Seashore to see if I could get ahead of the rain. As you'll see, this was futile. However, driving there and back helped me pass the time while the storm moved on. As we drive, we can see the damage caused by Hurricane Nicole in November 2022. The NPS is currently making repairs to the dunes and boardwalks in this area. Behind me is the Atlantic Ocean. We're at the Playalinda section of Canaveral National Seashore. And the storm just passed. Well, not really. It's just a short break in it. And the mosquitoes are out like mad, so I'm not going to stick around here very long. As the dark clouds passed, I was encouraged and left the beach and returned to Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge. Well, I really wanted to do some hiking today, but the storms that have blown in this afternoon have really put the kibosh to that. So we're going to try this 6-point one-way loop. It's called Black Point Wildlife Drive. And yeah, maybe we'll get lucky and see some wildlife. I did see an armadillo and a tortoise earlier. Black Point Wildlife Drive is a 7-mile auto tour, and it's the refuge's most popular wildlife viewing area. The drive follows dike roads which provide excellent observation and photography opportunities. You don't need to purchase an expensive camera or have experience to enjoy the wildlife here. In this video I observed a lot of birds, many of which I was unable to identify. If you know what kind of birds these are, feel free to leave a comment. I numbered each type of bird in the video to make it easier to reference when commenting. Thanks in advance for helping me. Wild Bird Trail is a half-a-mile round-trip trail along a gravel-lined dike. It offers views of two different wildlife habitats. On the right is the Indian River Lagoon, where the water level rises and falls with the tides and attracts shorebirds. On the left, the water level is a controlled 12 to 18 inches deep, which is ideal for wading birds. This is one of two blinds they have here. So these blinds help hide the humans from the birds so they don't think that we're predators, and give us an opportunity to see them do their thing. And there's even a bird scope here. Well, no luck here. The first bird blind. Well, that's good. The rain stopped, but what really surprised me is that the mosquitoes didn't come back. Instead, we got these little mini, I think they're sandflies. Boy, they can barely see them, but they bite. They really dig right into your skin. Continuing on the drive, we headed to the Crickshank Trail. I only explored a small portion of this 5-mile loop, which included the observation tower and the ADA accessible observation platform. Hard to see, but they're in the trees. There goes one. Fellow YouTuber, Follow Thomas, recommended this place when I told him I was coming to the area. Thomas knows his birds and does a lot of bike touring. Check out his channel, I think you'll enjoy it. If the weather was better and I had more time, I would have explored several other trails. I hope you enjoyed this video and the companion video from Canaveral National Seashore. Life is a journey, and exploring different places makes it more interesting. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It feeds the YouTube algorithm and helps promote the channel. As always, thanks for joining me on all my outdoor adventures.